Okay, in this problem, it's saying a triangle has an area of 100 square centimeters. If its height is 20 centimeters, what is the length of the base? Alright, the first thing you gotta do is start off with your formula. So it's base times height divided by 2 equals area. Okay, so I know that my area is 100 and my base, I don't know, but my height is 20. I'm still dividing by 2. Okay, so this is a big division problem. So I'm going to cancel out the 2 by multiplying. So times 2 times 2. That cancels that 2, and it gets me 100 times 2 is 200. Equals base times 20. Okay, now that's a multiplication problem, so I'm going to divide by 20. That cancels, and I'm left with base equals 10 centimeters. So that part's done. So I know that I have a triangle that is a base of 10 and a height of 20. So the next question asks, draw a triangle with an area of 100 square centimeters, a height of 20, and the base you found from part A. Is there more than one triangle you can draw with those dimensions? So there's 2 I can draw, really. So I have a height of 20 and a base of 10, and then I bring it down. There's my one triangle, and then I can draw a triangle like that guy with a base of 10 and a height of 20. That's pretty much the 2 that I can draw. Alright, C says, draw a triangle that has an area that is 150% of the original 100 square centimeters. What are the dimensions of your larger triangle? So what you got to remember is percent times whole equals part. Okay, so my percent's 150. I got to move it over to make it a decimal, so it's going to be 1.5 times my whole this time is my original 100 square centimeters. So 100 equals my part. When I multiply that, I get 150. Okay, so that's my new area. Okay, so new area I'm working with. Okay, now I still have to do my base times height equals area. So I don't know my base. I remember that my height was 20, and it equals my new area of 150. Okay, I'm going to divide by 2 because that's the triangle formula. Alright, again, just like the first one, it's a big division problem. So I'm going to multiply by 2 to cancel the 2. So those are gone. And I'm going to multiply by 2 on the other side of the equal sign to figure out what that's worth. So I have base times 20 equals 300. That's a multiplication problem still. So I'm going to divide by 20. Divide by 20. The 20's cancel. And I get base equals 300 divided by 20 is 15. So centimeters. So that triangle is 20 by 15. There we go.